Hey guys, Alpha Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I am filming part 2 of the Fountain Guard of the White Tree. So I hope you guys enjoy this. And this is all the close-ups of the statue. So here we are. The White Tree and the Fountain Guard in all its glory. This is going to be so cool, guys. So here is the Fountain Guard. Like, look at his portrait. That is freaking amazing. I love his helm. And I love the Gondorian armor. And his cloak and everything. And with the spear. There's his Gondorian armor. Absolutely love it. That is so cool. Let's go to the back side of his cloak and everything. Just nice. Just beautiful. That is so cool. That is awesome. But I love the wings from this statue. Those are just amazing. Love it. And then his spear. That is so cool as well. And then here's all the payment from Minas Tirith, protecting guarding the White Tree. And here we go. Here's the White Tree. This is just amazing. All the texture of the tree, all the branches, all gnarled up. So cool. And then just all the roots and everything, just all gnarled up like that. That is really, really cool. I just am in awe of this statue and the tree itself. That is so cool. And then here, zoom in here, the white flower. That is cool. Love it. And as you can see all the, where I put in all the branches and stuff. Color coded, I love that. So easy to put together. Just amazing, guys. I love this. Definitely my best piece and my grail, all in what I would hope for in a statue. And then here's the water part with all the stones in the water and all that. So cool. I love the effects on that. I love this. So awesome. And then when I was putting the fountain guard on the pavement here, it is magnetized, so it will not move. I like that. That is so cool. And again, here's his portrait again, and his wings on his helm. I want to see if I can try and get the helm of this. Like, if there is a life-size one, I would love to get one. That would be so cool. And then the White Tree of Gondor on his armor. Just amazing. Oh, and then his, go from the side or whatever we can get, his sword with his scabbard. That's cool. And then all the gold trim along on the edge of his cape. on his robe there. Oh, I just love this statue. Just amazing, guys. Get up close inside here. Love it. That is cool. And along the edge, you can see it's all stone on the edge there. That is cool. Absolutely love this piece. I cannot say that enough. So that is my grail and my favorite piece of all time that they have done. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of this fountain guard with the white tree. Comment down below what you guys thought. Like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you in another video coming up. I got lots more coming in.